Hi there, future math whizzes. Today, we're going to dive into the amazing world of addition and subtraction. Are you ready to have some fun while learning?
Great! Let's get started.
First, let's talk about addition. Imagine you have some yummy apples. If you have 3 apples and your friend gives you 2 more, how many apples do you have in total? That's right, you have 5 apples. Now, let's try subtraction. Imagine you have those 5 apples we just talked about, but you want to share 2 apples with your friend. How many apples will you have left? You got it, 3 apples are left. See, math can be as easy as counting your apples. But wait, there's more. Let's practice together. Here's a question. If you have 7 colorful marbles and you give away 4, how many marbles do you have left? Think about it, and we'll reveal the answer in a moment. Time's up. If you guessed you have 3 marbles left, you're absolutely right. You're becoming a math superstar. Remember, addition is all about putting things together, like your apples, and subtraction is about taking things away, like sharing your marbles. So, keep practicing and soon you'll be a math expert. Math is all around us, and it's so much fun to use in our everyday lives. That's it for today's math adventure. We hope you had a blast learning with us. Keep up the great work, and remember, math is a superpower that you already have.